Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I am bringing you a monthly plan with me. Isn't this a monthly planner, a monthly kit from PlannerFace? So this is for the month of August 2021. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So as you can see on the side, you can see my phone because I needed to know what the dates were. I always buy the Monday start strip if I can because I prefer my monthlies to start on a Monday. So the base is probably going to be finished quite quickly because I sped it up a lot. So I'm going to start with the day by day in a couple of seconds. So starting off with Monday, I used a what is her name? Gold Mine and Cocoa Peyton Gal to note having some cramps. On the 2nd, I used a filming camera from Carly Plans to note filming a haul, and a stick with a Planco Gal with some stickers to note organising stickers. I then marked binge watching some TV with a large girl from Valiant Tuma. I then marked going to my first midwife appointment using this Pink Diamond Planico pregnant girl, and then I used a TV sticker from PMD stickers, I think it's called, to note binge watching Castle. Then marked filming again with a camera from Carly Plans, and marked watching Criminal Minds with another TV from PMD stickers or designs. I don't remember what the last bit of her name is, or their name. I don't remember if it's a boy or girl. On to the 6th, I used a Olive Studio voiceover sticker to note filming and editing a video. Then marked it being a rainy day with this rain sticker from PMD stickers. And then marked on the 7th a pizza night with a pizza icon from the kit, and I marked memory planning with this PMD designs girl planning. On the 8th, I marked going to do a food shop with this squidge from Stick with a Planco, and washing my car with the car from the kit. On the 9th, I used this old Sweet Kawaii Designs like little thing with fork and knife to note getting some Subway. I then marked editing with this Whimsical Cat Studio Edit Girl. On the 10th, I marked watching Food Wars with my husband with this Much More Love a Couple's like movie sticker, and marked watching Criminal Minds with this leftover paper candy art TV. On the 11th, I marked my observation with another PMD girl, and then I marked shopping with a shopping bag, which is probably another leftover from paper candy art. On the 12th, I marked having a headache with a migraine sticker from Sugary Gal Sugary Gal Shop, and then I marked that my husband passed the theory test with a car icon from the kit. On the 13th, I marked getting some takeout with this Happy Meal sticker from SBC. I don't think I got McDonald's, but I think I just used this to mark it. Sorry, I don't know what that sound is if you can hear it. On the 14th, I marked that my husband was out with a boy sticker from PMD Designs stickers. I don't know what that shop is called. I'm so sorry. Then I marked getting some food with this cutlery sticker from Kylie Plans. Actually, this one was from the kit. I then marked doing like some self-care, shaving, face mask, and like a body scrub to like deal with stretch marks. With this Joy of Planning Girl. And then I marked washing my hair with a what's it called? Ooh, I forgot what it was called. I marked washing my hair with a honeybee shop girl. On the 16th, I marked taking a nap with this Stuck in Your Designs girl laying on the couch. On the 17th, I marked going for my first ultrasound appointment with this Stick with the Planco girl. I then marked on the 18th, I marked going to pick up my brother from the airport with this like aeroplane gal from Stuck in Your Designs. On the 19th, I marked being moody with this Fox and Cactus sad looking girl, and then I marked playing with my nephew with this Paper Shire Dolly and Bear sticker. On the 20th, I marked going to the park with my nephew with this Paper Shire Vanilla and another like smaller vanilla throwing a ball. Then marked visiting family with another vanilla sticker on the 21st. And then my husband having a driving lesson with the car from the kit. On the 22nd, I marked a movie night with this paper show couples at the movie sticker. On the 23rd, I marked having bagels for breakfast with a bagel from Sticky Perks and puller stickers with a sticker sheet from Carly Plans or SVC, I don't remember. I then marked having a second scan on the 24th with a Joy of Planning scan girl. I had to have a second scan because the week before I was a couple of days short of being 12 weeks. So they needed to do the scan the next week when I'll actually be past 12 weeks. So they'd get a better view of baby. On the 25th, I used a car sticker from the kit to note getting lost. And cramps, to mark cramps, I used a Joy Planning, like pregnant girl with cramps or pains, to note having some cramps. On the 26th, I marked cuddles with my husband with this couple sticker from PND. On the 27th, I marked filming with a camera from Carly Plans and FaceTiming my nephew with a FaceTime sticker from Musical Cat Studios. On the 28th, I marked binge watching Bones with another TV from PMD. And then I marked having bagels for breakfast with the bagel sticker from Sticky Perks. On the 29th, I marked having a nap and like a really lazy day with this like girl undercover sticker from Valia and Tuma. On to the 30th, which I went back up to the top to do since I started on the Monday. The boxes didn't fit in this planner, but it worked out. I used this vaccination girl from Stick with a Plan Code to note that my husband got vaccinated. On the 31st, I used this hair appointment munchkin to note doing my brother's girlfriend's hair, and then I noted cooking with a munchkin cooking to note that my husband cooked for me. So yeah, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm a bit out of breath, oh my goodness, I'm standing up to edit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye!